What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of adding music to your Facebook Messenger notes. By following the simple steps, you can enhance your messages with a soundtrack, making them more expressive and engaging for your friends. Locate and open the Facebook Messenger app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Navigate to the Notes section at the beginning of the app. Tap on your note to open it. In the new screen that appears, look for the music icon located below your profile picture. Tap on the music icon to proceed. Scroll through the available songs to find the one you wish to add to your note. Once you find a song, tap on it to select it. For example, mine is APT by Rose and Bruno Mars. You will have the option to drag and select a specific portion of the song you want to include. Adjust the selection until you are satisfied with the part of the music you wish to share. After selecting the desired part of the song, tap on Done at the top of the music screen. This will confirm your music choice. Write a caption to accompany your music selection. This caption can enhance the context of emotion of the note. Finally, tap on Share to send your note with the added music to your friends. Your note will now be visible to them, complete with the soundtrack, and there, by following the steps, you can easily add music to your Facebook Messenger notes, allowing you to communicate emotions and moods more effectively. Feel free to experiment with different songs and captions to create engaging notes. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.